Hey guys, it's David from Automotive Press. I am at the Mazda booth in Japan at the 2025 Japan Mobility Show. And what an amazing concept car that Mazda is showing, which is a beautiful, beautiful model called the Mazda Vision X-Coupe. It's not called the X-Coupe, it's actually called the X-Coupe. And you can tell the design is unlike anything else out there. It's almost got a European flavor to it. It has the Kodo soul and emotional design. Kodo is a Japanese word that Mazda has been using to describe its special design feature. You can see, like, even though it's a concept vehicle, you can really feel the emotional aspect of this vehicle. Really long hood, sweeping roof line, and even though they call it coupe, it's actually a four-door. So it's, I think, kind of like a four-door coupe that we know that exists in many other brands as well. But the most interesting thing is that this is supposed to be a plug-in hybrid, and it's going to be using a rotary engine, so plug-in hybrid system with a rotary engine and also turbo as well. And it's good for 160 kilometers in the electric mode, which is a lot more than most plug-in hybrids. And the combined power is 510 PS, which is a metric horsepower. So huge amount of power, great range. And if you combine both the electric power and the normal gas power, then it can actually run up to 800 kilometers. But the most striking thing is this very unique design. Now, if you recall, 2 years ago at the Japan Mobility Show, Mazda showcased something that could be the future of RX-7 or RX-8. It was called a Mazda Iconic SP. And we thought maybe they'll show the production version of that, which didn't happen, but instead we have this. And the reason why I'm still very excited is because this one has many of the design elements from the Mazda Iconic SP. So it doesn't have a gull-wing door or that kind of scissor doors, but it has the same kind of a feel to it, very swept front design. You got this interesting, intricate patterns here. And if you just look here, it looks a lot like the Iconic SP, just the front section. And you know what, this is more like Aston Martin, should I say, or some other very expensive European model that has the kind of a vibe to it, big wheels, almost like a Bentley looking wheels here. So very upscale. So they're opening a door for me. So before I go to the back, look at the inside. It's got kind of retro vibe to it. It's got this beautiful dark green Alcantara look mixed with leather. And this looks like a wood pattern, but etched this way, kind of sideways. Beautiful, amazing design. If you look at the inside, I know this is a concept car, so we're not gonna obviously see this identical design in the production car. But if you just look at the design of the seats, look at the actual shifter knob, the steering wheel, the actual instrumentation, which is coming up right now. I mean, it looks not just futuristic, but it also has a retro feel to it. Like kind of like Pagani sports car. Those are the $2 million sports car that is custom built. I saw that Pagani factory last year in the fall. And it has some kind of geometric brushed silver look to it. So it's got beautiful interior. Even the pedals looks very different, unique. Now let's come to the back here. And again, what can I say? You have the tail lamps integrated. And thankfully, we still have the rear windshield here. Many concept cars don't have rear windows, but this one still have it. And this unique kind of room around design. And then this one goes to the part of the way through the rear hatch, word Mazda spelled out. And this very kind of a concave design, I mean, it's really cool because really only Mazda could have come up with design like this. As I continue to walk around, you can see the same kind of pattern that you see in production versions of other Mazda cars. They tend to have the same kind of very interesting curvy profile to it. And you can see the reflection of the light kind of reflects through here, comes this way. And again, kind of retro looking, interesting character right here. Obviously being a non-production car, concept car, everything from the mirror to lack of a door handle shows that this is far from production car. But what I'm thinking is that if there is anything that from Mazda that will come out in the future that look like this, it could be an absolute amazing product because it looks like nothing else on the market right now. And I'm thinking that it has a bit of a Mazda 3 look to it, the current model. So I wouldn't be surprised if this kind of signals the design theme for future Mazda 3 or something similar. Clearly, this is meant to be more upscale than that. But so I'm really excited about the design, but also this signals the return of the rotary engine because it's a plug-in hybrid, which means that when the electric batteries run out, it should run on the rotary engine. And that is the most exciting thing of all, because we want to see rotary come back full stop. I want to see that happen in a production Mazda car and experience that feel again of what makes Mazda very different and unique. Yes, Mazda is a smaller car compared to all the other brands, compared to Honda or Toyota or Nissan, but they have the soul, the emotion that matters, and they really make cars really interesting. They drive differently from other brands, and I'm sure that if this car comes out in production, it'll make a huge difference because of the design and all the engineering behind it. Let me know in the comments below if you got some questions about this interesting Mazda concept car. I would love to hear some comments, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. That would be helpful. More news to come from Japan, but for now, very excited to talk about this amazing Vision X-Coupe concept. See you guys later.